Hey friends, if you wish to send emails to all contacts on Gmail at once, then please watch this video. So we are at Gmail here. Now I wish to send let's say emails to all contacts in my list at once. So click on compose. I'll expand it to show it better. Now click on to here. This will take you to the contact list. This shows my contact like the phone contacts, but if you change it to all contacts, it will show you email contacts as well. Now click on this checkbox here, check this checkbox here, and it will check all the contacts, and then you can click on insert and they are in the to field. Now you can write the subject and the matter, and then you can click on send. It will send it to all the contacts which are in the to field. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.